Hello everybody, JT here. I'm back with another video. In this video, I will show you how you can set up and customize your Gibbscam so you can optimize your programming by have some of these settings active and shortcut customize the way that you want. It will be helpful. So let's get to it. First one is as you can see my previous video, when I program this, I have to double click here, double click over here, and then this pop up, right? But in Gibbscam you can adjust some setting, and then you will be able to see this dialog pop up automatically every time you double click on here. Plus the CS activate too. So let's say if you I don't think I create new CS here, but I don't have any toolpath for this new CS, so you don't see. But I'll demo one, I'll make one, and then you can see how it is or what it is, so you can adjust accordingly. Okay, let's go to it. Go to file and references, and then in here you can adjust whatever or the way that you want, right? The first one is this one right here. I usually do let's say, why do you do this? Usually when install a new Gib on your computer, the default Gibbscam is like this. It doesn't have anything, any setting the way that you want it to do. So that is the reason, right? And then another one is, let's say you have a Gib there's a new version of Gib come out, you download, you install, you update a new version of Gib, but your old setting, it doesn't come over to the new one. Therefore you have to manually load the profile, or you have to do this every time if it doesn't work the way that you want, right? Okay, so let's go in here. First tab I adjust is 1,000. So I think 1,000 is work good most of the time. This is when you render, right? When you render and then you see the model, the 3D model look terrible. This is where you can adjust. For me, I think is sometimes I go to a 10, but most of the time I just do 1,000 is good enough. Okay, but let's just say I want to go a 10. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one is, let's say, when you double click here, that dialog doesn't pop up, so you have to tick this checkbox here, both of them, and also I want to select this as well. It's just the way that I want. Okay, so that's the second one. Machine ref, I usually do cat 40. This one technically it doesn't really matter much, but whatever machine you work with, you can choose it from here, BT or cat or HSK. Okay, let's say I work with cat 40. I'll do that, and then this one I change to TXT. This one just me, so I can modify the program manually if I want, and then I open using just a TXT, easier for me. Okay, close it. Okay, now you can see when I click here, just click out here, it will show the two paths, right? So you don't have to double click, just one click here, select it, and you go out here, the two paths will automatically show it to you. And the one is, I want to the two checkbox that help you to populate this dialog automatically. So after you check that two checkbox, when you double click here, this one will be automatically pop up for you. And of course the CS will be activate for you as well. I don't have any program for this new CS I create, but I'll make one quick and then you can see it later on. But that's what I mean, right? You know what, let's do it now so you can see the two paths too. Okay, of course you have to choose that CS. Okay, do it. Okay, let's just say something like that, right? You double click here, you see this CS activated, right? But when you go down here, you can see that CS also activated because you just double click on this two paths. It's very convenient and very helpful when you have that one, activate with the two paths you want to, let's say you want to modify, right? You want to modify the depth. You want this one activate as well, so when you pick whatever depth, it will go with this CS, not this one or not the other one, right? So that will be helpful. Okay, so that's the first thing that I want to say. The second one, okay, let's say the second one. When you install Gibbscam, there's no shortcut over here. This is the shortcut I put it on, right? So usually when you install Gibbscam, you don't see this. Let me remove it. Okay. When you install Gibbscam, it's like this. So if you already have a profile that you saved before, you can load it up, or you can manually customize it the way that you want. You can put out whatever shortcut that you want in here, and then you save it as a profile. Let's show you how to do it. If you don't already know, keep watching. Okay. Okay. Let's say I need all of this for my, my personal reference, right? Because I use this almost every day. So it's very helpful for me when I see it up here. I don't have to go into customize and pull it out, right? So I want it there for me to pick it up every time I want to do something, right? Okay. So if you don't see this, you can do whatever I just did, right? And then save it. Then the next time you will see this automatically when you make your new program. But let's say if you update a new version of Gibbscam, this one doesn't have it, you have either pull it out manually again, or you can save all this stuff as a profile. Right click, customize, and then down here say save. I think I already saved one. ABC, let's just name the same one, right? And then you save. Okay. And let's say when you install new Gib, you don't see this anymore. I'll show you how to load it up. Let's pretend remove all this out. Okay. Every time you have to right click and then do customize. Okay. Okay, so let's say nothing here, right? You want to load that one up. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned how you can do this. I mean, how you can load the customize toolbar, the dialog that I just showed. Just right click on here and then click on customize. Sorry if I don't mention it before. Okay, so down here it say load, right? So you just go there, go to document, you load that one up. There, right? Okay, so just some tip that you don't already know. You can, customize the way that you want. Hopefully, this video will be helpful for you. Will help you to adjust the setting, adjust the tool, the shortcut for you. Customize whatever you want to do, and then save it. Then the next install of Gib, you can load those shortcut and again for you to use. I mean I do it. I save that profile, and every time I install a new Gib, I just load it up, and then the dialog, the double click turn here. Yep, I do this like every time I install a new Gib. Okay, I think that should be it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you do, thumbs up for me, and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and spread the word and learn together.